Hello, I'm Tim. I'm the PM for the package stage at GitLab. And today I'm excited to share some features we have planned for the upcoming milestone 14.1. So there are a couple of, two features that I would really like to talk about in this video. The first is the cleanup policy for the container registry. So this allows you to programmatically preserve or delete images from your registry. Until recently, the feature has been turned off for projects created prior to February 2020. This was due to some scalability concerns and performance concerns. Over the past several milestones, we've addressed those. And so now we're going to begin a percentage-based rollout of the feature for projects on GitLab.com. A reminder for self-managed customers, you could do this today. There's a setting that you can adjust and you could read more about this issue and how to do that. So if this milestone and the subsequent milestones, you may start to see this feature turned on for your project. What that will look like is if you navigate to your project's settings and then to packages and registries, you'll see the configuration for this feature here. So it will be enabled, and then you can you will need to still configure the policy to work how you want. So you'll need to determine which tags you would like to preserve and which ones you would like to remove. And to do that, you just enter in a regex here. And there are some examples that you can use for this as well. Also, from a user experience perspective, we're making a few improvements to this feature as well. So the first is that there's an issue where the cleanup policies do not show nil values. So let's go back to this example. You actually can have a nil value in this number of tags to keep. You could say 0, but currently we don't display that option. It would just say 10. So cleaning this up so that if a nil value is selected, that it would display in the user interface. Another issue that I've been hearing a lot about from folks in the community is this bug. So you navigate to your project's container registry, and you see this icon here that says the cleanup timed out before it could delete all tags. Well, the issue here is really that we're not displaying the fine-grained information that we actually can return. Right now, you have the option, something could be scheduled, it can be unscheduled, it could be ongoing or unfinished. So what we're proposing to do is say the cleanup will run soon, the cleanup is ongoing, or that it is timed out. This will provide an extra level of detail that will help you understand what the status of your cleanup policy is. Hopefully this helps clear up some of the confusion that we've had with this misleading notification. Okay, the next feature that I'm hoping to talk about is the dependency proxy. We have this popular bug where the dependency proxy is not working when single sign-on is enabled. So we're hoping to resolve this. A lot of our customers have been running into this problem. And then also we'd like to add deploy token support for the dependency proxy. So right now you can authenticate with your personal access token or your GitLab credentials, but many folks you would prefer to use deploy tokens to avoid using personal credentials. And just a reminder, because the dependency proxy works at the group or subgroup level, you will have to use a group deploy token, not a project deploy token. Okay, so those are some of the features we have planned for the container registry cleanup policies and the dependency proxy. We have other features planned. You could always check out our planning issue and discussion and see what we're planning and why in more detail. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me at trizzy@GitLab, and I look forward to working with you in the issues. Thank you.